see the Duke Master. It's actually kind of early though. But waking up in Virginia. Just left New York yesterday. Obviously. No Dookie sleeping. He already had his breakfast. My neighbors already left, but they gave me one yesterday. Looks like it's gonna be a beautiful day to go for a hike, and that's what we're gonna do. So I'm gonna finish a few things here in the van for a little while, and then I think I'm gonna finish up my wood, have a campfire. We're gonna do some coffee. Then eventually I gotta go either go into town somewhere and get some food, or go down to the store, do some kind of camping. I didn't really see too much there to do a camp and cook, so I'm gonna research and see if there's a grocery store nearby. We'll go from there. So, alright guys, see you guys in a little bit. Alright, well, it's 8 o'clock and it's 55 degrees out in the Appalachian Mountains of Virginia. Right now, I'm thinking about a nice fire and a cup of coffee. Hey, buddy, come on in. I'm surprised that you want to probably stay in bed, huh? We're gonna make a cup of coffee. Like a glove. Nice cup of coffee in Appalachian Mountains. We got a nice beautiful fire, so we're gonna chill and relax here and enjoy it. You be Mr. Good Boy, okay? Everywhere around here. Alright, let's go. Let's get this party started. So I'm looking for some nice longer shorty socks. Go hiking at the Appalachian Trail. Going the opposite way we did last time, 3 weeks ago. Pretty psyched and pumped. Pretty psyched and pumped. Get some deodorant on to scare away the bears. Because the bears are probably getting ready to hibernate. So they're probably collecting and eating tons of food. And I wouldn't be surprised that they're gonna try to eat me. If you know what I'm saying. The collection of my heart. I got to use the party before we go there, Doogie, so you might want to get in the van so I can go potty and then we'll be ready to roll. So we'll see you guys here in a little bit once we start heading that way. We're gonna head to the Appalachian Trail. Why am I doing that? Because I can. And we're here all day. Come on, dude. Get in the van. In the van. In the van. Good boy. Go in the van. I gotta use the van. Go on. In the van. Good boy. In the van.